Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike, and here's the transformation. This was the job where the car went through the whole kit and caboodle here, and you can see we got rid of all that brick, just put in some 1x up there, sided it off, new pass door, new siding, got new trim here. We're going to pop on some white weather stripping. There's the door, looks good. Pass door to new threshold. 6-panel. And we use the old lock, funny. There's a door, hollow metal. RP, or excuse me, 2250 CHI. RP, I was going RP 138, or that's an Ankmar, I don't make that crap no more. RP 240. Anyway, here's the door. We just got done with this one. Got a belt drive opener. I don't even know what model this is. I got so many model numbers now. We got a nose bracket up there. Works nice. Let me see if there's catch a model number on this thing. I don't know. You'll see in the front. All these new lift kits. We got so many stinking models now. Let's see. Here we go. 8155. Anyhow, you can see up there too, we did all the carpentry up there, re-drywalled, jacked the header up. You can see where the old spring was. Got everything bolted up nice and new. Still gotta put the warning tag up. Nylon wheels, 14 gauge hardware. We're putting grease now on these stems. It quiets it down quite a bit. Sounds pretty good. Here we go. If you grease these stems in here like we've been doing, it's pretty quiet. I like it. I'm gonna start doing the trim now. Works good. So this one came out great with the reframe and the fixing of the wall that got blown out by the car. And believe you me, these insurance jobs, usually the people that get hired, you're waiting months for this stuff. We got this done in under a week. All right, and that's with a schedule going on too. So you got, stuff like this happening with you, give us a call. We'll get this done for you. We don't mess around. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching our video of the transformation of the smashed wall and garage door and pass door into a new garage door, new wall, new pass door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.